The authors file typically lists the individuals who have contributed to the project. It's important for recognizing contributions and attributing work, enhancing transparency, and encouraging more participation from the community. The Code of Conduct establishes the expectations for behavior and interaction within your project's community. It's crucial for creating a respectful and inclusive environment, which can lead to more effective collaboration and a healthier community. The contribution file provides guidelines on how others can contribute to your project. This file is essential for streamlining contributions, explaining how to submit issues, pull requests, and setting the standards for code quality and communication. The license file specifies the license under which your project is released, which could be MIT, GPL, or in my case, GLWTS. The importance of this file lies in clarifying the terms under which the code can be used, modified, and shared, directly affecting the project's adoption and reuse. The README offers an overview of the project, including what it does, why it's useful, how to set it up, and how to use it. It's often the first file someone sees when they visit your repository. Therefore, it's critical for making a strong first impression and aiding in getting the project off the ground. The requirements file lists all the dependencies required to run the project. This file is key for ensuring that anyone can set up the project environment quickly and start using or contributing to the project without unnecessary hurdles. The security file provides instructions on how to report security vulnerabilities in the project. It's important for maintaining the project's security integrity, encouraging responsible disclosure, and outlining how security reports are handled. The versioning file describes the versioning scheme used by the project, typically semantic versioning. This file is crucial for managing releases in a predictable manner, helping users and contributors understand changes and compatibility across versions. The git ignore tells Git which files or directories to ignore in your project. It's crucial for keeping the repository clean and avoiding the tracking of unnecessary or sensitive files, such as temporary files, environment files, or build outputs. This helps in preventing clutter, reducing the repository's size, and ensuring that sensitive information or irrelevant files don't accidentally get pushed to the public repository. The GitHub folder is a special directory used to store GitHub-specific files that configure various aspects of GitHub's repository interface and functionalities. Inside the folder, you can include a wide range of configuration files and resources to enhance the project's presence and management on GitHub. The funding.yml is part of the GitHub Sponsors program and is used to display a sponsor button on your GitHub repository to encourage users to contribute financially to the project. It can include links to various funding models such as Patreon, Open Collective, or direct links to donation pages. It's important for open source projects looking for financial support to sustain development, improve infrastructure, or reward their contributors. And lastly, the issue templates is a directory that can contain multiple issue templates for your repository. When someone creates a new issue, they can choose from one of the templates that you've provided, which helps in collecting the necessary information up front. This feature is crucial for streamlining the issue reporting process, which ensures that issues are thoroughly documented. I've created this GitHub template repository to stand as a model for structuring a GitHub repo effectively. By incorporating key components such as a detailed README, clear contributing guidelines, and a well-defined code of conduct, I believe it sets a high standard for project organization and community engagement. Whether you're kickstarting a new project, aiming to improve an existing one, or simply looking for a structured way to organize your work, this template is designed to meet your needs. It embodies a wealth of what I find to be best practices and is tailored to enhance project clarity, collaboration, and sustainability. As with anything that I release open source, please feel free to adopt, modify, and distribute it in a way that aligns with your project goals and the community you serve.